do our first vermicompost project. So in this, what we're doing, in this we need a box and a cover so that we can cover it up. And we need to make some holes. Will, yeah. So we need to make some holes for the air to pass.
Close your ears. Hello.
So you are wearing your glasses now?
Yeah.
Let's do.
Okay, so we now one bit.
We need to make few more holes here and the other side so that we have the cross ventilation.
But we must measure. If we did wrongly,
Then what?
okay. So now we did every side already.
So we need the hole this side and this side. But I thought of giving some hole here and here too, so that you never know where the air can come through. So to just give some extra buffer. So now what we're going to do is, actually if you think that you are going to water it, over water it, so in precaution you can drill few holes for water to drain. But as I am going to keep it indoor, I am not going to do that, and I will keep a check on it every time so that no extra water is there. And I have
We have some little worms.
yeah, so
They are just hiding inside.
we got some worm here,
They're hiding
and
inside. You cannot see them.
we got some dry leaf from our plants here
Yeah.
by
And
pruning.
there's some nice dry soil.
So these are the dry leaves to pruning, and some soil also. So we are going to use this
Yeah.
in our compost.
And some worm for compost.
So first start with some dry leaves.
Yeah, first we want to do some dry leaves. So the one will eat and wait. The one will eat.
So make it small pieces if possible. Like
So the one can eat because their mouth are very small. Yeah.
So when I kept this worms here, I have some ants crawling here in this box. So you have to be mindful if you have ants in your home. Maybe you have to take care of them in case they try to attack the earthworm. So actually we have to follow some browns first, then greens. So this is recently I pruned today one, so these are green still. So I will just move that. Your kids will love playing with the worms. You love it, yeah?
It's coming. Wow, it's coming. Come inside. Eating. Oh my god, it's very long worm. Should I take it out? Yeah, just also one big worm. It can make a ring and they're very
are a mixture of some soil and dried leaves,
Yes.
which I was thinking maybe do some normal composting, but I think with no proper setup it will really succeed as much.
Yeah, because there's too much. You have to cut it out. Because yeah, dry leaves stick together and dry leaves look hairy, right?
Those are the weakest.
Yeah, and
No leaves in that.
oh, I found this. Dig in.
So we have done this already, and later on, as you have to, mix up the things so that it's much aerated. And now you can break these leaves. So later on, you can add the greens. And now, whenever you grow your garden or you do your vegetables and things like that. So you can use everything except try not to add organic stuff like meat or try to avoid meat so it can rot. So this is what you can do, and let's add
If you
the
want to
worms.
follow us, you can put some green leaves. What did you say? And some brown.
We'll add the worms. And worms. So we just add that here.
Oh my god. Look at a group of worms.
Water it.
Oh no.
So now the remaining thing is we just need to water it. Take the spray and do spray it. So but actually this is just to demonstrate only. So maybe you have to spray a bit more to make it wet and moist. Then you close the lid. And then let's review it after a week. It will take probably 2 to 2.5 months to make the compost. In between you can add all your